Today, I'm reviewing the Panorama RTX 5080. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Panorama RTX 5080 liquid-cooled gaming desktop PC is a premium, ultra-performance machine built for hardcore gamers, content creators, and VR enthusiasts. With its combination of a 24-core Intel Core Ultra 9 285K processor, NVIDIA RTX 5080 GPU, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a 2TB Gen4 NVMe SSD. This desktop is designed to deliver elite performance for even the most demanding applications, whether it's AAA gaming, 4K content creation, or streaming multiple workloads simultaneously. Starting with the processor, the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K is a 24-core, 24-thread powerhouse running at a base clock of 3.7 GHz and boosting up to 5.7 GHz. This incredible CPU ensures that multitasking, rendering, and gaming workloads are handled effortlessly. Whether you're editing high-resolution videos, compiling large projects, or running multiple virtual machines, the Ultra 9 285K delivers smooth, lag-free performance while providing future-proof headroom for years to come. The graphics capabilities are just as impressive. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 with 16GB of GDDR5 memory offers unrivaled performance for gaming at ultra settings, streaming, and professional content creation. Gamers can expect smooth, high frame rate gameplay at 1080p, 1440p, and even 4K resolutions, while VR enthusiasts will appreciate the VR-ready capabilities of this GPU. The combination of ray tracing, AI-accelerated graphics, and GDDR5 memory ensures that visuals are realistic, immersive, and highly detailed, even in the most demanding AAA titles. Memory and storage further enhance the system's speed and responsiveness. The 32GB of DDR5 RAM provides blazing fast bandwidth for multitasking, allowing you to have multiple applications, browser tabs, and streaming software running simultaneously without any performance drops. The 2TB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD offers hyperfast read and write speeds, reducing boot times, game load times, and data transfer times significantly. This drive is up to 30 times faster than a traditional hard drive, ensuring your workflow and gaming experience remain uninterrupted and ultra-responsive. Cooling and case design are crucial for a system of this caliber. The Panorama features liquid cooling and 9 ARGB PWM fans, providing efficient airflow and thermal management even under heavy loads. The front and side tempered glass panels offer a full panoramic view of the RGB lighting and internal components, combining aesthetics with functionality. The case not only keeps the hardware cool, but also looks stunning on any gaming desk or streaming setup. Connectivity options are comprehensive. The desktop includes 3 display ports, HDMI, USB ports, and Wi-Fi 6E for fast and stable wireless connectivity. Bluetooth support allows seamless connection to peripherals, while the included RGB backlit keyboard and LED mouse add to the complete gaming experience right out of the box. This PC comes with Windows 11 Pro 64-bit, giving you access to the latest features, security enhancements, and gaming optimizations. Whether you're working, streaming, or gaming, the operating system complements the hardware perfectly, ensuring a smooth and intuitive experience. In real-world use, the Panorama RTX 5080 excels in every scenario. AAA games run at ultra settings with high frame rates. VR experiences are immersive and responsive, and content creation tasks, such as video editing or 3D rendering, are handled effortlessly. The combination of liquid cooling, premium hardware, and high-speed DDR5 memory makes this system not just a gaming rig, but a complete workstation for creators and professionals. The system is assembled in the USA, rigorously stress-tested, and backed by a 3-year hardware warranty with lifetime technical and diagnostic support from Empowered PC. This ensures reliability and peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected and supported by professionals. In conclusion, the Panorama RTX 5080 liquid-cooled gaming desktop is a top-tier gaming and productivity PC. With a 24-core Intel Ultra 9 processor, RTX 5080 GPU, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and 2TB Gen4 NVMe SSD, it delivers unmatched speed, visuals, and multitasking capabilities. Its premium cooling, sleek tempered glass design, and RGB lighting make it a centerpiece for any gaming or streaming setup. If you're looking for a future-proof, high-performance gaming PC capable of handling AAA games, VR, streaming, and professional content creation at the highest settings, the Panorama RTX 5080 is one of the best options available today.